In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward messages in Slack. Forwarding messages is really useful when you want to share important information from one conversation to another without copying and pasting or risking that you miss something. Maybe a teammate shared a key update in a private message and you need your whole project channel to see it. Or maybe a client sent you details that your internal team should act on. Knowing how to forward correctly keeps everything clear, organized, and easy to track. Let's start from inside Slack. First, open the message you want to forward. This can be in any channel or direct message. Scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message or thread you want to share. Take a moment to double check that this is the right message, especially if it includes dates, numbers, or instructions, so you don't accidentally forward the wrong information. Next, move your mouse over that message. You'll see a small toolbar appear with different icons. Look for the forward arrow icon that appears near the three-dot menu. It usually looks like a curved arrow pointing to the right. Click on that forward arrow. This tells Slack that you want to send this specific message to someone else, while still showing where it originally came from. After clicking the forward arrow, a small window or prompt will appear, asking you where you want to send the message. Here, you'll select a user or conversation. You can start typing the person's name, a group direct message, or even a channel name if you want to share it with a larger audience. As you type, Slack will show matching options. Click on the correct user or channel from the list. If the message is sensitive or private, make sure you're choosing a direct message or a channel that is appropriate for that content. Once you've selected the recipient, you'll see a confirmation area where Slack shows you who will receive the forwarded message. Some versions may also let you add a short note before sending. This can be helpful to explain why you're forwarding it, like sharing this for context or please see the details below. Finally, click on forward to send it. Slack will deliver the original message, along with any context you added, to the user or channel you chose. The recipient will see